The artist Ibrahim Mahama had the vision or the mission of setting up a studio, like a personal studio,
for his artworks,
where he could work, just like you setting up a studio for. So he came around, got some plot of land where he actually bought portion of the space, where gradually it developed. So this place here is actually a space where we exhibit more of his works.
Of his works?
Yeah, Ibrahim Mahama. So here we have these collections, which are stretchers.
Stretchers?
Yeah, so these stretchers happens to be the ones that they were using in the Second World War.
And I think one of the reasons why Green Glow is actually coming to Ghana for this production hub has to do a lot with sustainability. And if you could look at what Ibrahim Mahama is doing in Ghana, I think it has more similarities to what we are also doing, because he's using, he's regenerating old stuff and making them look new, and also
like discarded
waste products, bringing them to light with his art pieces. So I think there's more similarities to what we are doing here. And I think this one is where we use the cobbler's box.
Yeah, cobbler boxes. So there are 2 boxes, which they normally keep their tools in it. So he got most of them from individual shoemakers, made some, and also exhibited the same work in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Wow. So in Sao Paulo, this was made. So if you look at those designs, they are actually different from the ones that we are familiar with.
Because these are a few things that kind of resonate with us, but we really didn't know a lot about this. Even someone like me who was born and bred right here in Ghana. So I think this is beautiful. This.
So this is. Guess what is it?
This one looks like a gemstone.
So this one here is actually residue of glasses. So it's glass.
Okay.
So Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, during his time of governance, he had an idea of building a lot of factories.
Right.
Silos, factory, the sugar factory, the tomato factory, the tie factory, the glass factory. So this happened to come from the glass factory, the Aboso glass factory.
Aboso glass factory.
Yes, so they used to produce the Chanel bottles, Sprite, Malta Guinness, and Coca-Cola bottles. So, and then this is from Katsua.
You mean Katsua?
Katsua, yeah.
Katsua. To be honest, Katsua is a country on its own, in Ghana. Country in a country. This is from Katsua?
Yeah, this is from Katsua. So they used it to carry load by the head porters. Yeah, so if you buy a heavy load in the market, they'll use it to carry it.
Right.
But in this scenario, it's not just carrying any ordinary load, but it's carrying a burden that has to do with history.
Wow. So we are actually in the genesis of how Ghana, was created. From the railways to the struggles of our men. This is wonderful, and this looks like an original piece.
Yeah, so he's a collector, as I said earlier on. So he collects different materials like the kente, and this is from Mali. So if you look at you would check the thickness of this, is quite different.
Wow, this is different.
And this is the weaving kente, the original.
Right.
Yeah. And then we have more here, which are old version of lantern. So they used to pump this before the lights could regenerate. This particular one as well.
Yeah, this was the most common one.
Yeah, and then this is a mask. This mask was a design worn by hunters as a form of a camouflage. Yeah, so when they see them, they think that was aquatic. So they were using that as a camouflage to lure them, just to hunt them. We have this, which has to do with tattoos. It's a photograph work which has to do with tattoos. So these traders who used to move from the north, some from Volta, into the capital Accra, used to ink their names, beloved ones' names on their arms. So in case of any tragedy, they could use that as a medium to link up with their relatives. Some too used to write their names because they can actually spell their name. So with this, they were able to do some documentation in case of need. Because these names are typical northern names, typical Voltairean names, so they are difficult to spell. So this is some canvas special.
For painting?
No, this one was for making of ties, like the car ties.
Ties.
So Dr. Kwame Nkrumah had a factory called Bonsa Tie Factory. They used to manufacture these car ties, motorbike ties in that factory. So even if you are standing by this, you can smell the tie in it or residue of tie in it. So they had a raw material which they added in making it, the rubber. So if you touch this, you can see that it's sticky. So that's rubber.
Right, it melts.
Yeah, it melts. So this space is another work on it. Yeah, so it's actually an artwork which Ibrahim did in Manchester, Sao Paulo, Brazil, in different places. It's titled Parliament of Ghosts. So it's more like an idea or a concept which he developed and then made the work. He then decided to implement the same idea here. So it's an artwork at the same time it's space, and it's multi-purpose. So here we use them for programs. It can be either lectures, play, drama. We do workshops here. So with this one here, this is our newest exhibit. It's done by different foreign artists. So it's in honor of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. So with this one, during his time of governance, he had a collaboration with a sculptress called
Alina, yeah. And she was from Poland.
Yeah, she was from Poland.
So there used to be like a very great relationship between Poland and Ghana.
Yes.
Interesting. I think something has to do with Isabella. You know, Isabella, your country, that's why there is the watching love, because I don't get it.
The Dexys as well. So with this Dexys, he's interested in the designs, which were designed by the British to introduce formal education to this part of the world. They had the black balls from the rural communities. So at that time that they were picking them up, this was what they were being taught. So he then decided to actually leave those ones on the board. So these machines,
they work.
The machine actually propel. So we are interested in the sound.
Wow, interesting.
Yeah.
So this should tell you that it works. Hi guys. So I'm currently in the Red Clay Studios, right? And I'm here with, so we call him Labman. Yeah. Labman is one of the sculptors right here in the studio, and he's actually taking us around, showing us the art pieces of Ibrahim Mahama, one of the greatest artists to ever come from Ghana, bridging the gap between Africa and Ghana, and then Ghana to the whole world using his art piece. I can't lie, this is Ibrahim Mahama's Red Clay Studio. Guys, you can take a sneak peek of this, and this is the most wonderful art I've ever come across in my entire life. Wow, this is beautiful.